Hello friends, welcome to another eye-opening, pride-filled video that's shaking the world of technology. Today we're diving into a story that isn't just about a company. It's about India's rise in tech, shaking the very foundations of Silicon Valley, the sleepless titans of America. The biggest tech giants of the world are suddenly on edge. Silicon Valley, the so-called capital of technology, is buzzing with a new kind of excitement. And the reason? Not the US, not China, not Europe, but India. At the center of this storm is a name that, until a few years ago, few outside India even knew: Zoho. Yes, Zoho. The company that has quietly become the biggest headache for America's tech giants. The company proving that India isn't just about outsourcing, it's about innovation and leadership. Zoho is showing the world that Indian talent, when determined, can change the global tech game. The 30-year American tech empire. Before we dive into Zoho, let's take a quick history lesson. For the last 3 decades, digital life has revolved around a few names: Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Apple. These weren't just tech companies, they controlled entire ecosystems. Need email, Gmail or Outlook. Need documents, Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Need to meet online, Google Meet or Microsoft Teams. Need cloud storage, Amazon Web Services, social networking, Facebook and Instagram. The digital world's keys were in their hands and the rest of the world forced to play by their rules. India, a user, not a maker. Technology and innovation were reserved for the West, but every empire faces challenges and India just showed up. Self-reliant India, not a slogan but reality. In recent years, India has grown its tech capabilities beyond imagination. It's not just Digital India slogans. India is actually rewriting the rules. India is now a global software development hub. Indian engineers are running some of the biggest global companies. Indian startups are becoming unicorns. And now Indian companies are directly challenging American tech. And at the forefront of this revolution is Zoho. Zoho, from small towns to Silicon Valley. Think about this. A company with no billionaire investors, no venture capital, no flashy marketing, no Hollywood-style ads. Just one thing: hard work, patience, and Indian brains. In 1996, Indian engineer Sridhar Vembu started a small software project in the US. Few realized this project would shake the biggest companies in the world. Vembu didn't just want to build a company, he wanted to create a model, one where rural India could contribute to global technology. A model where talent wasn't confined to cities, and India wasn't just a customer, but a creator. So instead of setting up in California, Vembu opened the first office in Chennai. Then he went further, creating tech centers in Indian villages. Village youth were trained, employed, and together they built products the world now depends on. Zoho, India's self-reliant tech empire. What makes Zoho unique is that it never relied on foreign investment. No billionaire money, no venture capital, no global funds. Everything Zoho built came from its own revenue, every profit reinvested into R&D, every product developed in-house. Today, Zoho is valued at over $1 billion, a unicorn without a single dollar of foreign funding. While other startups struggle without billions, Zoho quietly competes with the world's biggest. Zoho in the Indian Parliament, India's government has openly supported Zoho. A historic moment arrived when IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw delivered a presentation using Zoho Show, not PowerPoint. This wasn't just a tech decision, it was a message. India won't rely on foreign tech. India will create and lead. The real challenge to American tech giants. Until now, companies like Google and Microsoft controlled everything: Gmail, Docs, Drive, Google Outlook, Word, Teams, Excel, Microsoft Cloud, Amazon Social, Facebook, and Instagram. The world had to play by their rules. But now a new player is on the field: Zoho. And this player came quietly, without flashy ads, without expensive campaigns, without billions in funding. Yet today, millions of users are moving from Google and Microsoft to Zoho. So what makes Zoho so special? Zoho isn't just software. It's an all-in-one platform where businesses can run every operation from a single ecosystem. Email, Zoho mail file storage, Zoho WorkDrive documents, Zoho Writer spreadsheets, Zoho Sheet presentations, Zoho Show CRM, Zoho CRM chat and meetings, Zoho Click and Zoho Meeting, all this at a fraction of the cost with complete data security. When a new player enters a market, there are two paths. Copy the leaders, redefine the game. Zoho chose the second path. It redefined every product we once thought had no alternatives. Today, we'll compare Zoho versus Google, Zoho versus Microsoft, Zoho versus Salesforce, and see how India is reshaping tech. Gmail versus Zoho Mail. The new email standard. Millions rely on Gmail or Outlook daily. Convenient, yes, but at a cost. Your data. Google monetizes your data to fuel its advertising machine. Zoho Mail says your data is yours, no ads, no selling data, just professional, secure email. Plus, Zoho Mail offers team collaboration tools, custom domain emails, automation workflows, smart AI filters at a fraction of the cost of Gmail and Outlook. Google Drive/OneDrive versus Zoho WorkDrive. Google Drive and OneDrive dominate cloud storage, but security and cost are concerns. Zoho WorkDrive solves both: secure storage, real-time collaboration, version history, and folder sharing, fully compliant with Indian and European data laws. Data hosted in India for sovereignty. Many companies now prefer WorkDrive for sensitive data over foreign cloud providers. Docs/Word/Excel versus Zoho Writer Sheet show Zoho has disrupted productivity tools. Zoho Writer, lightweight, fast, AI-assisted writing. Zoho Sheet, advanced data analysis with AI suggestions. Zoho Show, interactive presentations, AI-generated designs, all fully integrated, unlike Google and Microsoft tools, which often face compatibility issues. Teams/Meet versus Zoho Meeting and Click. Virtual meetings are now essential. Zoho Meeting is lightweight, fast, secure with recording, screen sharing, breakout rooms, webinars. Zoho Click rivals Slack and Teams for chat channels and bot integration. Easy to use, no training required. Salesforce/Microsoft Dynamics versus Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM disrupts the heart of business, customer management. Features include lead tracking, sales automation, predictive analytics, customer interaction management. Interface is simple. Pricing approximately 70% lower than Salesforce, making Zoho CRM a favorite worldwide. Zoho AI, a smart business brain. Zoho integrates AI, ZIA, across all products. Data analysis, trend predictions, smart suggestions, decision support. ZIA can predict high probability leads in Zoho CRM, suggest edits in Zoho Writer, find hidden patterns in Zoho Sheet. Zoho becomes not just a tool, but a smart business assistant. Zoho One, everything under one roof. Zoho One offers 50+ applications: CRM, HR, accounting, chat, email, analytics, all in one dashboard. No multiple subscriptions, no integration headaches. Small and large businesses call it their digital operating system. Pricing: America's weak spot, Microsoft 365, $60 to $120 per user per year. Google Workspace, $50 to $100 per user per year. Salesforce, $120 to $250 per user per year. Zoho One, $12 to $25 per user per year. 50+ apps included. Affordable, high-quality, global-level software, perfect for startups and SMEs worldwide. Data security. Trust above all. Google and Facebook monetize your data. Zoho says, the software is the product, not your data. Encrypted storage, no third-party selling. GDPR compliance, trusted by governments, banks, and sensitive institutions. The philosophy, Zoho's greatest weapon. It's Zoho's philosophy that makes it different. Built by talent, not money. Focused on self-reliance and innovation. Village-trained engineers contributing globally.